Hello and welcome back to Mahi English classes. I hope you are safe at home. Now today we are going to see class 7th from Sparrow book Black Beauty, Its Early Life. Now who is Black Beauty in the lesson? A Black Beauty is a black horse who narrates his story of his life in his own words. Now this extract has been taken from an English from Anna Sewell, an English novelist. Now first I will I'll read the paragraph and then I will explain you. The first place that I can well remember was a pleasant meadow with a pond of crystal clear water in it. Now here I is Black Beauty, because in the lesson Black Beauty herself is telling about his early life, her early life. So she is saying that she remember the pleasant meadow. Meadow means a field of grass with pond of crystal clear, means very clear water, no dirty water was there. There was a field on one side, and on the other side we looked upon a gate at our master's house. Matlab, on one side there was a green field and the other side where Black Beauty used to live. Her master's house was there. I lived here with my mother. In the daytime I ran by her side, and at night I used to lie down beside her. Black Beauty is saying this, that he used to stay with her mother, and at night, in the daytime he used to play around with her, and in the night he used to lay down beside her. When it was hot, we would stand under the shade of the tree near the pond. When it is very hot during the daytime, they used to stand under the शेड ऑफ अ ट्री विच वॉज नियर द पॉन्ड, क्योंकि जब पॉन्ड के पास पेड़ है तो वहाँ पे हवा अच्छी होती है. वेन इट वॉज कोल्ड वी वुड स्टे इन अ वार्म शेड, और वेन इट इज़ विंटर्स टाइम दे यूज टू स्टे इन अ वार्म शेड. देर वॉज अ 6 यंग कॉल्ड्स इन द मिडो बिसाइड्स मी. मतलब उनकी ब्लैक ब्यूटी और मदर के अलावा देर वर अनदर 6 कॉल्ड्स. They were all older to me. We used to gallop all together round the field. Gallop means horse fastest speed. They used to run around together as hard as we could go. At times our play was rather rough. Rather rough means खेलते खेलते कभी कभी जैसे हम लोग का झगड़ा होता है, पढ़ते पढ़ते वो बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो जाता है. In the same way when they used to play तो वो गेम बहुत हार्ड हो जाता था. They would bite and kick as well as gallop. मतलब इतना हार्ड होता था कि कभी कभी वो एक दूसरे को मारते थे, किक करते थे, काटते थे. One day when there was a lot of kicking, my mother whined. Whined means gently nipped, क्योंकि घोड़ा हिंगिंग आता है ना, तो nipped to me to come to her. She called Black Beauty. She said, listen carefully to what I am going to say. The calls are also good calls, but they are cart horse calls. Means जो कार्ट को खींचते हैं उनको कॉल्ट बोला जाता है. एंड ब्लैक ब्यूटी वॉज नॉट अ कॉल्ट. दे हैव नॉट लर्नड मैनर्स. ना ब्लैक ब्यूटीज मदर इज सेइंग टू हिम दैट they don't have any manners, but you have to learn manners. You are different from them. You have been well bred and well born. Well bred means brought up well, and born well means in a, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं ना ये जंगली फैमिली से आया, हम लोग अच्छे फैमिली से, तो उसी तरीके से मदर हॉर्स इज सेइंग दैट वी आर फ्रॉम द गुड फैमिली. Both your father and grandfather had a great name in this area. Your grandfather won cups at the races. Now she is telling to him that you had a good name because your father and grandfather has won many good cups in race. Your grandmother had a very sweet temper. I think you have never seen me kick or bite. The mother horse is saying to Black Beauty that you must have not seen me biting anyone or kicking anyone. I want you to grow up gentle and good. Black Beauty's mother says that I want you to grow up in a very good way. Do your work with a good will. Lift your feet up well and you trot. Trot means move fast. Do not kick or bite even in play. Means she is giving him lessons not to kick and bite anyone even you are playing. Till date, I have not forgotten my mother's advice. Now, the mother, Black Beauty's mother, saying that I have not forgotten my mother's advice. I knew she was a wise old horse. Our master also loved her and called her pet. Her actual name was Duchess. Now, the mother of Black Beauty was there, but the grandmother of Black Beauty was a very kind horse. Our master was a good and kind man. He gave us food and lodging. Lodging means जहाँ ठहरते हैं, जहाँ रहने की जगह होती है. He always spoke kindly to us. He would pat and stroke my mother and say, "Well, old pet, and how is your little ducky?" Ducky. Now here ducky, why? Because Black Beauty mother was black in color, so the master of her mother used to call him Ducky. I was a dull black, so he called me Ducky. He would give me a piece of bread and sometimes he brought a carrot. The caretaker of my mother used to take care of me also as well as my mother. All the horses liked him, but I think we were his favorites. वो कह नहीं और भी horses थे, but we were favorites. We means Black Beauty's mother and Black Beauty's grandmother. Dick, a plow boy means जो काम करते हैं साथ में, सफाई करते हैं फार्म में. His name was Dick. Would sometimes come to our field to pluck blackberries from the hedge. Blackberries तोड़ने आता था वो. When he had finished eating, he threw stones and sticks at the colts to make them go lap. अब वो क्या बदमाशी करता था कि वो जब ब्लैकबेरीज खा लेता था तो उसके बाद वो लकड़ी और ईंटें फेंकता था ताकि कॉल्ट्स दौड़ सकें. We did not mind it for we would go lap off. मतलब वो लोग नहीं खेलते थे इसलिए लोग इतना ध्यान नहीं देते. At times a stone would hit and hurt us. कभी कभी क्या होता था वही स्टोन इनको भी लग जाता था. One day as usual as he was at this game means one day when this boy Dick was doing the same thing that he was hitting the colts and Black Beauty and her mother, he did not knew that the master was watching from him from the next field. उस लड़के को ये नहीं पता था कि the master was watching from the next field. The master jumped over the hedge in a snap. In a snap means quickly. Caught him by the arm and gave him such a box. Box means hit on the ear that made Dick cry with pain. Now the master hit Dick and he started crying of pain. Bad boy, he said angrily. Bad boy, to chase the calls. Now the master was saying that why you are chasing my calls? Here, take your money and go home. I do not want to see you in on my farm again. मतलब उसने उसको काम से निकाल दिया because he was hurting the animals. So we never saw Dick anymore. Old Daniel, the man who looked after the horses, was as gentle as our master. So we were all well off. Means वो कह रहे हैं कि जैसे वो मास्टर थे वैसे ही एक और मास्टर थे हम लोग के old Daniel. He was also kind and kind-hearted person. So we used to stay all together in a happy way. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and subscribe my channel Mahi English Classes. Thank you.